Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We all have mugs in our home which has printed design and we do not like it. So we'll look at how to remake them. We'll be using acrylic paints, gesso and a mug. As you can see, this has a glossy surface. So first we'll be sanding with a sandpaper in order to let the paint adhere to the surface. First I'm giving one coat of gesso, then followed by the second coat. So by now you can see that the whole picture in the background has vanished. So this is how we'll sand the thing. As you can see, it produces scratches and the powders come off. Next, dust off all the powders that have settled on the cup and then give a coat of gesso. Here I'm going to write a quote and the theme will be pink and gold. That's why I'm giving these colors. You can go with the color of your choice. Don't forget the top circular part. Here I'm writing a quote with just a normal pencil. You can also use a color pencil. Next I'm writing using gold paint. Be careful and take it slow. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always go again using a pink paint and then come on top with the gold. If the letters go a little outside, then overdo with the pink paint. Next I'm going to paint the handle gold. And once it's done, I'm just going with spots of gold on the edges of the cup.